Want different notification sounds for different apps on your Android phone? In this video, I'll show how to change WhatsApp notification sound Android. You can set one sound for all notifications or assign custom sounds to specific apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Method 1. Change default notification sound, all apps. First, open the app drawer and tap the Settings app on your Android device. Tap Sound and Vibration. Look for the notification or notification sound. The name may vary slightly by Android brand. Tap it, then choose the notification tone you want from the list. This will change the notification sound for all apps on your phone. Method 2. Set custom notification sound for WhatsApp or a specific app. Now let's set a unique sound for an individual app. Go to your home screen or app drawer. Long press the WhatsApp or any other app you want to customize. Tap the eye icon or app info. Then tap Notifications. Make sure Allow WhatsApp Notifications is turned on, otherwise sound options won't appear. Scroll down and you'll see notification categories, such as Messages, Chats, Video Calls, Alerts, or similar, depends on the app. Tap the category you want to change. Now tap Sound. Here you can select a different notification tone, including custom sounds on your device. Once selected and tap Save or OK at the top right, that app or category will use its own notification sound. We already created videos on setting a custom notification sound on Android devices like Samsung and Google Pixel. Please check out link in the description or I button. So that's how you can set a custom notification sound for all apps or for specific apps on Android.